This GPS-capable sports fitness band is known as the S958. It has 3 different watch faces installed that you can cycle through, and a lot of capability. You have a settings area to turn on and off the volume, check your QR code for the Tethering app that you connect with, increase or decrease your brightness, and hook up Bluetooth. When you continue, you notice you've got a stopwatch in there. You also have barometric pressure reading available, and of course your heart rate. Beyond that, you have last night's sleep time and a step count pedometer with distance traveled and calories burned. All of that in a watch format that includes a variety of GPS-capable tracking events like walking, cycling, running, and climbing. You also have an overall history and the ability to set different parameters for alarms or switch from metric to imperial. You have, in addition, a dialer, which brings to the point that this has got capability for a SIM card as well as Bluetooth tethering. So when you are in here, you can have access to your phone book from your SIM or from the SIM in your phone and make and receive calls from either one. You also have a variety of other things like remote picture taking, sedentary reminders, the overall app download area, which is your QR code, again, for tethering, an audio player, more settings, an onboard sound recorder, alarms, calendars, calculators, and a world clock. It's a really nice package. Overall, it's called the S958. Check it out.